Let me ask you something real. Have you ever noticed the more you try with a woman, the less interested she seems? You reply fast, you check your phone, you overthink every message, and somehow she pulls away. Here's the part nobody tells you. Ignoring women isn't about being cold, it's about doing something most men never learn. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why pulling your focus back changes how she sees you and why it makes her want to chase instead of drift away. Let me be clear, ignoring women does not mean ghosting. It does not mean acting rude, and it definitely doesn't mean playing games. It means this: you stop making her the center of your world. Because the moment a woman feels like she's your main source of excitement, validation, or motivation, attraction quietly dies. Think about your own life. When you're bored, unmotivated, burned out, feeling behind, that's usually when you start chasing harder. Not because you want her, but because you want relief. And she can feel that. Here's why pulling back works psychologically. When you're busy building something, your body, your work, your confidence, you send one message without saying a word. I have a life I don't need to escape from. That creates space, and space is where curiosity grows. First rule: stop reacting instantly. Not to manipulate, but to breathe. When you slow down your responses, you slow down your emotions, and calm energy is magnetic. Quick pause here. If this is already clicking for you, hit like and subscribe. I post practical psychology like this 4 times a week. Second rule: fill your time with things that make you stronger. Gym, skills, work you've been avoiding, goals you keep procrastinating on. Not to impress her, but because you're tired of feeling stuck. Ironically, that's when attention comes back. Third rule: let her feel the gap. When you're not always available, she starts wondering, where is he? What is he doing? Why does he seem different? That curiosity pulls harder than any compliment ever will. Here's the truth most men miss. Women don't chase men who ignore them. They chase men who are busy becoming someone. Ignoring is just a side effect. So remember this: don't chase when you're bored. Build a life you enjoy without approval. Give space instead of pressure. That's the real shift. Try this tonight. Put the phone down, focus on one thing that moves your life forward, and watch what changes. And if you want to go deeper, if you want to understand how attraction works without looks or money, watch the next video: how to become a woman magnet without looks or money. That one connects everything you learned here. I'll see you there.